I'm Charlotte McLeod with the Investing News Network, and this is your quick look at the stories we've been covering that you need to hear about. We started off last week with a discussion of silver, and this week we have another perspective on the white metal, which has grown by leaps and bounds this year but remains under the key $30 per ounce level. Speaking to INN, David Smith of the Morgan Report and Money Metals said he sees a bright future for silver, but encouraged investors to be cautious about trading in and out of the market. In his view, once silver closes above $30 a couple of times, it will run up quickly, perhaps leaving those who aren't invested without another opportunity to get in. Overall, he emphasized that the current situation is not like silver's false bull run in 2016. It's the real deal. INN also spoke with Brian Lenny of Junior Stock Review about how his portfolio has been doing this year. Describing the current environment as a stock picker's market, he said that the last 6 months have probably been the most profitable he's seen in his life. He mentioned Abra Plata Resource as his first 13-bagger. Brian also discussed the dichotomy between the ideas he presents to his newsletter audience and the decisions he makes privately. He said that while he's careful when it comes to the recommendations he makes for his followers, he allows himself to be somewhat riskier when making his own personal trades. For our Twitter poll this week, we continued last week's election theme. Normally, a presidential election in the US is a fairly big talking point for gold, but this year it's understandably been overshadowed by other factors. With only about 2 months left before America goes to the polls, we asked our Twitter followers if they think a Trump victory or a Biden victory would be better for the gold price. The poll was ongoing at the time of this recording, but most respondents said they think a Trump victory would be better. We'll be asking another question on Twitter next week, so make sure to follow us and share your thoughts. In the cannabis space this week, INN had the opportunity to speak with former Aphria CEO Vic Neufeld. Vic left the company in January 2019 citing health concerns, although his departure also came soon after a short seller report questioning Aphria's Latin American acquisitions. He's now re-emerged as a director and advisor to Heaven Life Sciences, a new psychedelics company that went public this week. Explaining his interest in psychedelics, Vic cited their potential to help treat mental health conditions as a key draw, and said that research will be key in the space moving forward. That's all for this week. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates and interviews. You can also follow us on social media and click below for our free report or any articles mentioned in this video. See you next time.